Okay, so you just saw a practical demonstration of what a two-point locking system looks like in actual usage. You have on your screens schematic for a two-point locking. That's the handle. That's the fork here. There will be pins to it attached to the fork. On the pin, the locking strip will be attached at the top and the bottom. At the end of the locking strip, there will be a rod end at the top and at the bottom. This is the retainer which will go into the frame right above the rod end on the top and right below the rod end in the bottom. So the handle, pins, locking strip and rod end are mounted on the sash, and the retainer is mounted on, or retainers are mounted on the frame. And when the rod end goes into the retainer, the handle gets locked. There are two locking points, one at the top and one at the bottom. A two-point locking system gives better weather sealing, it gives more security, and it is used for casement windows, both top hung and side hung, as well as tilt out tilt-ins. Let's now try to see what a multi-point locking system looks like. Here is a schematic of a multi-point locking. This is for a top hung window. Okay, these are the vertical sides of the sash. This is the bottom of the sash. The handle is mounted on the bottom portion of the sash. There are two pins here, and these two pins will be holding the locking strip. The locking strip, when you operate the handle, the fork will be operating. The locking strip will move back and forth here. To the other end of the locking strip is attached a corner transmission here and here. And when the locking strip moves back and forth, the corner transmission has a mechanism which makes this back and forth movement, translates it in by 90 degrees and makes the locking strip attached on the other end to also move back and forth. On the locking strip are the locking points. These are the various locking points. So here you see a one locking point, two locking point, 3 and 4. It's a 4-point locking system or a multi-point locking system. The application is for aluminium windows and glazed facade openables. It is used on casement windows, top or side hung, and it gives multi-point points of locking, so it gives more security and better weather sealing. Sliding locks, which are